This is too funny.
Absolutely, you and everybody else in the lab. This is what our police run. And that's why we're doing this. You might want to pick up on both the clinical lab, which is finding the God, you can't. When you heaven is that awareness of our love and the increase of he just reached in and he took away all those aspects of your mind that make you judge people or withdraw from people or whatever it is. That would be violating your free will unless you identify it.
Sounds like
The Holy Spirit says in the miracle, I cannot what you will not believe. It's like if you go to a doctor, you don't know if you still a doctor. The doctor actually shows the wound. What's the miracle is where we look at really honest look at ourselves. This is where I am wounded. And even though it's my childhood wound, it manifests as a kind of unconsciousness. It's this kind of coldness or hardness or anger or controllingness or whatever it is, and that's the behavior of God that I don't know how to stop. It's an entrenched emotional habitat. And that's where God helps us, and God's Spirit removes that block. And so that's a daily, like moment by moment, encounter by encounter process for myself, working on things over the years. Okay?
Thank you very much, Anne.
Thank you.
Who would hide behind the darn thing? Where? Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get your butt. You just waiting, huh? For it to come out. Get your butt out. Get your butt out of there. Get your butt out of there now. Quit hiding. Go. Get out. Out. Get out of there. Quit hiding. Oh my God. Cat, quit hiding. We don't have time for this. We don't have time for this. Get out of there. Sit. Hey. Sit. Come. 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 Get your butt out of there. Go. 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 Let the cat be free. Gotta hide behind the counter.
what the hell?
Go. Go that way. You sound like you saying you don't like me.
I dare you. What dare you?
Come. Go. 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 Go.
Leave him alone. Oh, shit. Come back in.
Look, you hide again. Hide. hiding?
How much tone did you make? A lot.
One can.
Okay. Let's do half a can.
The rest of the oh, never mind. Yada. Go on. Bad behind. Dog.
What a time it is. Feel like summer.
Yes.
Like summer.
The Indian summer. That's all. What do you...
What?
Oh, I'm talking about the dog.
Wow, man. What a cat. Whoa. Get the juice.
Let the cat eat. Can we let the cat eat? Can we let the cat eat? Really?
4 years. I'm on my 15th day of the 5th year.
Let the baby not try.
Last birthday book, it was a Candy Love that got me to
So what we gonna do about this?